Next job of the day, got a York rooftop unit, not cooling. Let's check it out. All right, on this York unit, we found out the problem. The problem was we had dirty filters, and it was saying high pressure. So once I reset it, it was saying bad air quality. Once I reset it, got it turned back on, we only had one condenser fan come on, and so this fan's bad, fan motor. So we got a new motor. Let's change it out. Let's change these bad filters to good ones and show you a done product. Extremely dirty filters, which set off every air sensor in the thing. In this model of York rooftop package unit, you will find the filter access panels right here, where you will place two per side. Got the new filters in place. Got the old motor out of this York rooftop unit. Now time to drop in the new one. Both fans going. Unit cooling. Unit fixed.